Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to silence your audio track in Audacity software. If you want to silence your selected part from your project in Audacity, then you can use silent tool in Audacity and silence your track easily. So if you want to learn Audacity software, you can visit our channel and watch our previous videos. You can easily learn by watching our previous videos. So let's get started and let's learn how can we silence our selected audio track in Audacity software. First of all, I will click on Audacity software and import my audio file. So I will go to file section, import my audio track and browse my audio file from my computer. After that, I will select part which I want to silence. So you will select your desired audio track. After that, you will go to silence audio selection tool. You can use this tool and you can also use it by pressing Ctrl plus L from your keyboard. So I will click on this and here you can see that my selected audio part is now silence. So if you want to mute your audio file or selected area from your project, you can use it. It will save your time and you can easily silence your selected audio part. So this is a short tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you want to learn Audacity software and you don't know how to use these tools, then you can visit our channel and watch our previous videos. Please subscribe to the channel and press bell icon for more videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.